Good morning, we're back. We're in a rush. Got flipping Dunn's River today. My boys are tired, man. Even I am as well. He was on before this morning. But we're there, man. We're on holiday. So yeah, this is my spot. It's all blurry and that, man. But yeah, this is the spot, man. I'm ready for this holiday. Yeah, I have to get some of them trainers thing, man. For Dunn's River. About to get some food now. How you feeling, Byron?
Not too bad, man. Not too bad. A bit tired, but
harsh, innit? Bearing in mind, we ain't even like recovered from all the sleep, man, from all the travelling, but
still jet lagged a bit.
trust me. And it's like 1 in the morning, no, 1 in the afternoon. Back in the ends, man. It's like what? 7:30, 8 here.
Something like that, yeah.
Wild, man.
Too early, man. I had to get up early this morning to go this trip. It's gonna be a sick trip, man. I'm still tired.
We ain't even got much time, man. Enjoying that? Yo, this is a breakfast, man. Got a big day for Dunn's River. But look. Everything, man. Telling them.
Dunn's River. It'll be a good day. Wow. Wayne, we had a...
Has anyone been to Ocho Rios before?
Never.
No? Oh, you have? Oh, 4 times? When you come at Ocho Rios 4 times for? Who are you looking for here? Huh? Oh,
It's a hot day as well today, man.
what language you speak?
It's too hot.
Oh, hold on.
Learning.
3 days in. 3 days in, but I already burnt the foot.
Yeah.
You understand English?
Lobster beef.
Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna talk to him.
I know you burn that, you know.
Tell him to translate.
Okay.
Are you bring your charger on?
Crepes, man. Saying? You're good, yeah? No crepes, man.
When you buy things.
Thank you. Blessings. Alright, now we're in some place where we're getting drinks, man. Shop. Get a munch. Yeah, man. A bit different in Jamaica.
Get anything?
Yeah, man. Chocolate chip cookies.
Yeah, but it's only got. It's a movie. Ever season part 2. All these out. Oh, I don't want to break. know. Yeah, chocolate down as well. Oh, I love bad as well. Look what we're dealing with. Got a trim pack there, yeah. Got the banana bread. What do you know about the banana bread? Go with the brownie. Not even. Some cheese bread. Now he's asking me to carry his water. What's wrong with him? Try to make a movie here. You got to say for the camera. This is your time. This is your interview. But you got to say it to him, man. Well, speak in the mic, man. Well, speak in the LV. Yo, speak in the LV. What you got to say to him? Yeah.
Let them just get him off some rivers, man.
Surprised you're allowed to come here. That's joking. We're on the way to the river, Dunn's River. Let me tell you, this guy is not ready. Yeah. You think this guy's ready for Dunn's River? Needed what? He needs to get himself a glass in here.
Yo, we're in Jamaica, man. What are you saying?
About to hit the river.
Tell him.
Freezing cold, good for the body, proper minerals, vitamins, natural water. Tell him.
You know what it is, man? Absolutely roasting. Look at the heat,
Absolutely
man.
roasting. It's a beautiful day, yeah, 35 degrees. Nothing better.
Look at the sets, man. There. There, man. There.
Drugs.
Yeah, I'm on the way, yeah. On this Dunn's River. I've literally just got my things changed, everything. Me good, man, me good. Me ready, me have my shoulder, and I've got my phone case. Me good, man. Yo, we're at Thingy, man, Bob Marley's to Dunn's River, and that was mad. That's gone off my phone, because yo, if you take my camera there, it's gone out, man. Have a little look round, man, just stare around it, and then you got this here. Jamaica's about, you know what I'm saying? The Bob Marley Hotel. You had a good sleep on the bus, brother?
Here we are, man. Fell asleep, tired. Came back and was speaking about
everything. So yeah, man. Call me, boys. Bob Marley house there. We're here, man, we're in the gym. I ain't feeling it, man. Byron, what are you selling them, man?
fucking tired, man. Because my workout this one day, man. It turned too fast. Food's too long.
Yeah, it is, man. To put us in like some mad, what's the word? Slump mode. Camera vision's kind of mad, but we're gonna get a chest session, arms, whatever, man. And go in the hot tub. Yeah, anything. Yo, this is us, man, on the Grove Beach, just before we go Rick's Cafe. The journey was long, yeah, but literally everything, man. Place is mad. Yeah, we've got to go be back, have food for this lunch before we go to Rick's Cafe. Rick's Cafe's going to be far away, man. Yeah, at the moment, a long walk along the beach. Yeah, man. My boy Byron, man, going strong.
It's really cold. The sun's so cold, I'm sweating. I mean,
struggling, man. We love it, man. Saying.
You can't get much of a nice beach for this, is there?
Nah, you can't, man.
I don't think I'm going to Spain or anywhere else. Fuck Spain. Nah, I did that, man. Jamaica's where it's at, man. This is what I'm saying, like, that's the places. This is what we see, man. The views. Incredible views. Look at that. Just off the hotels. Crazy, man. So, yo, it's about nearly 3 o'clock. We're at Negro Beach, yeah. Been to a few spots, man. Been to a mad few places. So like, I'm gonna find out what this is called. 9 Mile Beach, yeah. This is what we're on. That's the view. And us. Literally everything, man. So now I'm gonna take you on a little trip here towards the beach. I'll show you a lot of it, man. Literally the place is absolutely incredible. I would literally recommend it to every person. Trust me, man, if you get the chance, come here. The boys are absolutely roasting as well. They're over there. I've had some food, some fish, rice and pea. Yeah, check that out on my TikTok. I posted that on there. But literally, I think it's time to go now, yeah. It's time to hit Rick's Cafe. And we're off, man. And we're off on some cliffs and that. And you lot go over to my TikTok as well. Follow that over as well. Like and subscribe this video, yeah. Do what you're doing, man. Go like and subscribe. Yeah. Like down there is just mad. Everywhere else, the place is absolutely incredible, man. Yo, look at me, man. I'm in some bombs and that, man. It's mad. But yo, that's what you're getting here right now. But yeah, we're gonna take you out to Rick's Cafe right now. You lot, like, subscribe, love. Everything here, man. Probably all the way down there.
Alright, so we are at about.
Right now, yeah, I'm right by like at the end of the thing here at Rick's Cafe. Yo, I've jumped in some big things, man. I'm gonna put it on like as my phone recording. But yo, look at this right here. This is Rick's Cafe, this is, you know, people. Look. Scared, man, because I don't want to drop my flipping, I don't want to drop my camera. Look at that for a view, man. That is incredible. I'm gonna walk you through Rick's Cafe now. But yo, other than that, it's been a pleasure, man. It's been an absolute pleasure. Rick's Cafe. One, man.